Here we go. Oh, live. If you do want one of these cask helmets, is this on? These are genuine cask helmets. Durianrider.com. It's in the Duro pink colour, and we only have size medium left. So there you go. If you're in Adelaide, you want one of these, do a special price, no shipping. Cheapest online price ever. Poke your eyes out, right? We have the bike here, watching you. This bike is the Factor EPO squared. No, it's not. Stop. Come on, enough of the Cookie Man jokes. Durianrider. It's getting a bit old, isn't it? It's getting old charging your Strava followers $80 to come and race you of a Strava climb for the World Championships. Imagine that. Imagine that, starting a hill climb World Championships. Norton Summit, guys. $80. $80 for Norton Summit. I'm going to win, though. Mexican EPO ain't cheap. Alright, so here we go. These are the wheels that are going to be going on it. These wheels are from Yixin, Light Carb, aka Light Carbon, same company. They look very nice. They're DT Swiss 240 center lock hubs. And these are gravel mountain bike spec wheels. So DT Swiss, you know, to rely on that. Can't go wrong with DT Swiss. The rear wheel, again, same wheel from Yixin.com, aka lightcarbon.com. DT Swiss 240. Did you know DT Swiss made in China and Taiwan now? Amazing. Amazing. Alright. Now this is the frame. This is the Pragma Mawson. This is what you get in the box. This is the first one in Australia. Been shipping a few around the world. Butterfly knife. The ballet song. I learned these ones when I was 14. 14. How old are you, Natasha?
How old am I?
Yeah.
21.
Oh, 21. You're right. You can stay. Reading this colour by the way. Natasha's just ripping up one of my jerseys now for payback. In the bag, you get derailleur hangers. There's a couple of derailleur hangers in there. We've got a headset in here. How long is a steerer plug? I do recommend people use a long steerer plug, longer than stock. Unfortunately, I'm not being able to find a supplier for long steerer plugs. I was talking to Randall from Thesis Bikes, and he has this thing called Steer Safe. And I said, cool, Randall, that's really good. I'd like to get some of those. I'll buy them off you at cost, and I'll sell them at cost, no profit away. And then ghosted. So it looks like Randall only wants to be the only one selling those Steer Safe things. So hopefully I can get a supply if you know anyone. I don't want to make any money, I just want to have these things out on people's bikes. So we have drum roll. Schnitzel, where's the drums, please? The box is now empty. This is bicycle unboxing therapy with Durianrider. So we put that out for recycling. For the kids to play with. People can say, Harley, you look more swole than you did back in the day. That's anabolic.
I don't think they say that.
That's anabolic steroids for sure. Alright, so here we go. Here we go. I've got inspiration from this bike from Trek. Trek have this paint job. I forget what it's called. It's a Project One option, and I love the Project One idea. This is part of the reason why I started my bike company. Is I love Trek Project One, but the price tag, I was like, I can afford that, but the average consumer can't. And so I want to provide incredible value by providing Trek Project One style paint at an affordable price. I mean, look what people charge for paint jobs these days. It's hey, and if you got those, if you want to spend that, that's fine, for sure. I just want to provide something out there, people who would love to have that quality level of paint, but who just can't afford $5,000 for a frame. Never cut towards your face. So watch. Oof, that was light. Jeez, mamma mia. Alright, so, and I just wanted to create incredible value, and I'm the first person to do this. I'm the first person to offer high-end, these are high-end frames. I can't tell you who makes what brands these companies make for, But all these companies in China, all the big brands, Trek, Cannondale, Pinarello, Colnago, Thesis, all these brands, KHS, Fuji, Giant, and actually not Giant, Giant has their own factory. All these brands, 99% of these brands use what's called an OEM factory in China, which is called original equipment manufacturer. Means that they're factories that make carbon bikes. So like, what do you want? Okay, so someone from Specialized goes to China, say, hey, this is what we designed in Morgan Hill, California. Can you make this? They're like, yeah, we can do that. Boom, So it's basically like having some ingredients and go to a baker and say, can you make this cake for me? And they'll sell this cake. We'll buy this cake off you for $5 and we'll sell the cake for literally $500. That sort of markup. And that's how they can have, big proteins and big warehouses and factories and just all the bling. They're making insane markup. So I thought, well, why don't I fill the gap of creating a product where I make a minimal markup, just my time and effort and not much, but I provide the same high-end quality bikes without maybe the fancy, pivots and stuff like that, but you still get an incredibly functional bike that rides at just a good quality. And how I do that at realistic low prices. And so that's why I created the Pragma brand. And I've got a road bike, I've got a mountain bike coming soon as well, 29er, hardtail. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That is literally Trek Project 1 quality. Wow, that fade. Look at that fade. Look at that. Look at that fade. Huh? Not my hair. Like the fork. Get that joke? It comes with 3 axles as well. Why pay more? Where's the torch? Here we go. We always got a torch. This is the nog. These are pretty good as well. Oh, it works. I mean, look at that. Can you see in there? Can't really see in there. Yeah. It looks. You can take a photo of any brand name fork and look at that, and that looks just legit. You can get a $15,000 Specialized Roubaix and look in there, and that's going to be the same quality. That looks legit. Looks legit. So yeah. That looks legit as any high-end carbon fork should look. Wow. Very interesting. Fantastic. I love learning about all this stuff. Not sure if you can tell that, but this for me. Everything I do isn't for like making mad profit and just like essentially, in my opinion, sort of moving people off a bit. But for me, this is all about providing incredible value, and at the same time, pay my bills. I live a very basic lifestyle. I don't have kids. I don't have any debt. This little dog box here where I live here, this crack den's all paid off. I live a very, very simple lifestyle. I love riding bikes. I've got enough bikes to last the rest of my life. Natasha's a very basic girl in that she enjoys a simple life as well. We don't party. We do party, but in different ways. So it's just a very basic lifestyle. And so my overheads are fucking. What are my overheads? My overheads are Shopify account, which is $500 a year, give or take. Okay. So, what are my overheads? It's a whole new way to do a business. And I'll say Gary Vee is a big inspiration as well. Just sort of, a guy who's the same age as me and Gary Vee are the same age. He also has just, that element of providing great value. And I've got to agree with that. Wow, this is quality. This is another quality product from these factories out there. It's insane. And people say, oh, hey, well, I can just go to these factories and get one myself. You could probably do that, but it won't be as good a price as what I can do it for you. So, and you can do that. You're welcome to do that. I'm not fussed if you do that. If you want to deal with them, that's fine. You can do it, or you can deal with durianrider. That's good. Whatever. It's not an issue. I'm not out here to make millions of dollars. I'm here to get millions of smiles in people's faces when they have a high-end carbon bike. They thought they could never. You know what? The truth is, which is hard for me to understand and comprehend, is that some people in their life will never ever have a nice bike to ride. When I mean nice, like performance-wise, like good power transfer, hands well, a nice pretty paint job, they'll always be going, wow, I wish I could have that $10,000 Cervelo or S-Works or whatever. And hey, I've got all those bikes, ridden all those bikes, and it's like the price in 2019 isn't justified anymore. It's not justified anymore. Why is that? Because what I offer, and what some other people might offer as well. So yeah, all this plastic, put the recycling bin as well. How many bikes are there? I don't even know how many bikes I've got. How many bikes have we got here? There's actually, I don't know. What do you think of the paint job, Natasha? The colour. I was expecting it was going to be more neon.
It's cool. I thought it'd be more neon though.
Yeah, I thought it'd be more neon as well. There you go. It sort of looks more neon on camera than in real life. I think if it was just one orange or one yellow, it would be alright. But the mix is a bit like, yeah, baby shit brown almost.
I don't understand though. Your picture was neon.
Yeah, I think that's the thing. Things get lost in translation. You know? But anyway, I'm happy with it. First world problems. It's a BSA bottom bracket. BSA bottom bracket, which means threaded, which means durable, braze on. Got mounts here, mounts there. This is something you could do to Race to the Rock, Mawson Trail. Basically, the Mawson frame is named after the Mawson Trail, which I haven't even done yet, which will be done on this bike very, very soon. There's little mounts up here. You can put racks on here. You can put fenders on here. Racks, flat mount disc, and go good to go. People are hanging on disc brakes. Disc brakes to do on it. I thought you were about rim brakes. I am all about rim brakes for road racing. For gravel though, the disc brakes have a much bigger advantage. When you're doing gravel, you're not looking for every single second. You're not looking for every single second. You're looking for brakes that actually work. Maybe you got a loaded bike, you're carrying some cargo down a steep hill, and you don't want to destroy your rims in gravel, so you're using disc brakes. So make a big advantage there. Wow, this is very nice. The paint looks so good. I'm very impressed with this quality product. It's Project 1 finished quality, 100%. This is finished as good as any of my S-Works frames I've ever had. Just a little serial number on the bottom there. This is legit. So yeah, I'll do some weights and stuff in another video. This is legit. Legit. Let's have a look at fork. So it's through internal cable routing. Yeah, wow. Yeah. Wow. I'm impressed. What do you think of the paint? Are you a fan or not? Are you a fan or not? Let us know down below. Anyway, next video will be building it up. So yeah, we've got the wheels, and wow, fantastic. So if you want one of these frames, $6.99 US, any custom paint you want. If you want the elaborate designs like airbrushing and stuff, we can do that. It'll cost maybe a little bit more, maybe an extra 50 to 100, maybe 150 bucks. It's really full on crazy decals and stuff. Otherwise, yeah, $6.99, any color you want, 1 or 2 or 3 colors, free coaching for life by my private Facebook group, free shipping anywhere in the world, $6.99. Why pay more? Why would you pay more? Why would you pay more? For a brand, a sticker? I'll put a sticker on there for you if you want. But and I do have the Pragma stickers as well. Actually, they're just here. They're just here. So I just wanted to test try out with logos. This is sort of a prototype frame for me. And we're going to put that on here. Things like that. See what you think. Logos or no logos? I'll put a logo on one side, see how it looks. But man, this paint feels glossy. It feels smooth. It's finished really well. Quality. This is like, you know, how much does the free? Why would you buy? I'm gonna get. I can't be trashing or dropping names too much because part of the deal is, you know, you got to sort of keep that murder real. But why would you spend $3,000 or $5,000 or even $1,000? Why would you spend $1,000 on a carbon frame? Why would you spend more than this? Why would you spend more than $700 on a carbon frame and not even have it custom painted to your specs? What color you want? I don't know. It's a good question to ask, isn't it? wow. You know, my whole world has been changed this year. Ever since Cookie Man took EPO and smashed out Northern Summit and all that drama started off, I was like, hang on, what's the deal with these Chinese bikes? Wow, they cost that much? And they sell for that much? And they ride really good? Let me get on this. So I've got to thank Cookie Man for opening my eyes up to the quality out there. Also, tip of the hat to Randall from Thesis for showing me more stuff as well. But yeah, it's fantastic, man. This is the new era. The new era. I can't believe it's taken me so long to really get in the times. Thanks for support. Durianrider.com. Pragma Mawson is here.